It's Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at our office today at another closing, and I am here with an attorney, Mr. Brian. Brian, how are you, sir?
Dave, great, thank you.
And we just closed a probate type of transaction, and Brian, you are a probate attorney. You were the attorney, or who were you on this particular case?
Yes, I was the administrator appointed in this case. We had a piece of property here in Franklin County. There was one heir in this case. The sister of the deceased, we needed to sell the property as she had no need for it. Luckily, we got in contact with you guys. You guys were even able to assist us in getting access to the property.
Yeah.
Very efficient, helpful, did a walkthrough. Property was in good condition. Shortly thereafter, we had some negotiations and we were able to get this deal finalized.
Excellent. And what would you say to somebody else who maybe has a house that they need to sell fast and they want to unload quickly, but they don't want to deal with all of the sometimes nonsense that comes with a real estate transaction?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, again, you guys are great to work with. The ability to close this deal less than, I think, 14 days from the time we entered into a contract was great. Even in our case, we did not have a realtor involved. That's also helpful. But again, your guys' knowledge, professionalism in this industry, and again, ability to get the deal done and closed. It's great.
Well, it's been great doing business with you, and I'm glad your client was able to sell fast and make it nice and easy for them.
Yes.
And if you have a house you want to sell fast and easy, you can find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. I'm Dave, and we'll see you on the next video.